Hi there, I want to have a quick look at making a vignette, which is a way of drawing your attention from one part of an image to another using dark areas and light areas. To get started, I want to select a hue saturation effect from down here, which will throw this up. And I want to adjust the lightness setting of that, so I want to drag the lightness all the way down to let's go to -82, so we can still see just about make her out. Then I want to select the gradient tool, which is underneath the paint pot tool over here. If you can't see it, right click, choose gradient tool, and then click on the gradient picker up here. Go into basics, and you want this basic black to white one. Some of these have got transparency effects in. We don't want that, we just want the basic black to white one, and click OK. Now we want to select the radial gradient tool here, and what it does, it lets us click and drag a line which will define the circle of the radius. So if I left click on here and drag a line, we end up with a light point in the middle of the image. If I make it longer, we get a much wider gradient, a little tiny one. You get like a pinprick size thing, and you can drag these things any way you choose of your image. But for something like this, I wanted a nice long gradient, something like that. Yeah, we'll leave it there. Thank you for watching.